Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making a French fry and some chicken wings, okay? So those chicken wings are cut and I buy those in little pieces cut already. And so those are the chicken wings I'm gonna be frying today. And this is the French fry, okay? And this is fresh, was of the potato. I peeled the potato and cut it little pieces like the way you see it now. It's clean already and wash it. And this is my chicken. You're gonna need a flour and some chicken seasoning and black pepper and any kind of seasoning more I'm gonna use. I'm gonna show you guys. And you're gonna need like a zipper bag. You're gonna put the chicken in the zipper bag and season with all the kind of season, any kind of seasoning you have home. You can season the flour very well. And after, you're gonna put the chicken inside the zipper bag and mix the chicken inside. Put the chicken inside and just I'm gonna show you guys what to do with it. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, my French fry. So I'm gonna start seasoning my French fry. I just find a new season that's a French fry season, so I'm gonna use this today. And I'm gonna season my French fries with it. This season look like it's very good one because I did not try it, but it looked like it's very tasty. Okay, so I'm gonna already put the oil on the fire, so the oil gonna be hot, and I'm gonna mix it. And you don't want to over season it, okay? So you see, I'm mixing it with my hand. My hand is clean. I'm washing my hand very well, and I'm gonna try it, okay, and see if it's seasoned. Because anytime you're cooking, you wanna try the food before you serve it. All the time, because if you don't do that, your food gonna be over salty or is not enough salt to it. This is the chicken I'm gonna be frying too. Okay, so let's start frying the French fry for now. Okay, so let's start making the flour for the chicken too. Okay, this is the flour for the chicken. So what I did, I take 5 scoop of flour and put in a plastic bag like this. So I'm gonna take my chicken season. I'm gonna season it with it. You wanna put enough season to it. And I'm gonna put some black pepper and I'm gonna mix it like this. Okay, you're gonna mix the flour and after I'm gonna use the same season to season the chicken, and after I'm gonna show you guys what to do. After putting the season to the flour, you need to shake it. You hold it like this, shake it like this, because you want the season to be all over. Okay, and after, you're gonna open it and you're gonna start putting the chicken inside. Okay, this is the chicken. The chicken is seasoned already, well seasoned. You need to try the chicken if the chicken is nice and salty. And this is the rest of my French fry, and the other one is frying. Okay, so you need to mix it. Make sure the French fry is frying very good. Okay, alright, so you're gonna finish fry the French fry first, and after we're gonna fry the chicken. Alright, okay, this is my first batch of my French fry, and the rest is frying right now. And after, I'm gonna fry my chicken. After finish frying the rest of the French fry, and I'm gonna put the French fry in the bowl, and after, I'm gonna fry the chicken too. Okay, and one thing, you're supposed to put like a napkin before you put the French fry. Okay, I did that, and after I put in this bowl. Okay, so you always do that first. Okay, so this is the chicken. Now it's time to put the chicken in the flour. So this is the flour. This is the best way to do it. And you take your chicken and put in the flour just like this. Already seasoned the chicken like the way I told you guys. And what you need to do, shake the bag. You're gonna hold the bag. You're gonna hold it tight like this and shake it, so the flour gonna be all over the chicken, and after you're gonna put in the oil, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys then before I put in the, when it's time to put in the oil, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna shake it right now. You're gonna hold it like this side and shake it, all right? Okay, it's time to put the chicken in the oil now. So you're gonna do it like that. You see, it's nice and coaty. That's the best way to do it. See? Okay now, so I'm gonna wait for that to fry. My french fry is ready, and I'm frying my chicken, and I'm gonna put the rest of the chicken inside the flour again. So this other one is finished, so I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Okay, this is my final product. So this is the chicken. This is how the chicken look like, and this is the fry. My crew, they already finished it in half of it. I'm just frying in there, keeping eating it. This is the rest of it, and it tastes so good too. So thank you for watching Howard Cuisine. Please subscribe, and share. And love you guys so much, and see you guys another day. Bye. That's my son Henry. He's just keeping eating it because he just love it.